Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another grocery haul and meal plan. This week I went to Walmart and did Walmart grocery pickup, so I am getting ready to take all of my stuff inside and then I will show you what I got. I will also have a meal plan, a printable meal plan linked in the description box for you guys to download if you want for dinner inspiration for the week, and if there are any recipes online that I use, I'll go ahead and link those as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all of my stuff inside and then I will show you what I got this week and I'll tell you the meal plan as well. Okay, so here's a look at everything that I got this week. I did spend about $170 at Walmart, and I did have some produce that I got at the farmer's market yesterday, so I thought I would include that as well, even though I didn't actually get it at the grocery store, but we'll still be using it this week. So this is all the stuff that I got at the farmer's market. I got watermelon, some cherry tomatoes, bell peppers, jalapenos, some pickling cucumbers because I want to make some refrigerator dill pickles, 2 yellow squash, 2 tomatoes for BLTs, and a cantaloupe. And then at the grocery store I got some spinach, just a bag of the market side fresh spinach. So we'll have this in salads, and then Kira also likes to take spinach in her lunches for school, or she likes it on like wraps and sandwiches too. I grabbed some peaches, so 4 of those, 3 kiwis, and then I ordered 2 mangoes. These mangoes are like the greenest mangoes I've ever seen, so I would not have picked these out, obviously, if I was doing it myself. But anyway, I think depending on who you get picking out your produce, they maybe don't know that this is super unripe, but I'll leave it on the counter and hopefully it'll ripen. We can have it later this week. For fresh herbs, I did get some basil. I'm going to be making some homemade marinara sauce today. I did get a bunch of canning tomatoes at the farmer's market as well, so that will be for that. I got 2 packages of fresh dill for the pickles, some garlic. This is the garlic stir-in paste. I also got some fresh garlic too, but I like to have this especially like on weeknights for cooking. It's super convenient. I grabbed 1 English cucumber, some blueberries, 2 pounds of strawberries, some bananas. I wanted celery for tuna salad, but I don't like buying usually like a whole big thing of celery because we just don't eat it. Sometimes if I do that, I can freeze it for using in chicken stock and stuff like that, but I just decided to get the 4-pack of the already washed celery this week. And then I got some red seedless grapes, a bag of onions because I was out of those, 1 zucchini. I might do zoodles with this and maybe with one of the squash, some fresh garlic, and some green onions. I grabbed, some of this Laughing Cow Creamy Light Swiss, either to have on crackers or to dip the celery in. It's good with that. 2 packages of sliced cheese for sandwiches. So Kira really likes this sliced sharp cheddar cheese. And then I got the thin Colby Jack. These are only 40 calories a slice, so it's good to have on a sandwich. You still get like the cheese taste, but obviously less calories than regular cheese, a regular slice of cheese. I got some butter because I was out of that. And then for lunch meat, I grabbed a pound of Black Forest ham and a pound of the pepper turkey. We've been doing a lot more sandwiches and wraps and things like that, trying to eat supper at the ball field while Connor is playing baseball during the week at night. So I got a pound last week and we ran out pretty quickly, so I got 2 pounds this week. I did get this chile relleno bowl. This is the Amy's brand. I really like having these in the freezer for quick lunches during the week. I can throw one of these in my bag and take it to work along with a salad or something, and it's a great lunch. But I haven't tried this one before. If you've tried this one, let me know, but honestly I haven't tried any of her stuff that I haven't liked. I grabbed some shredded cheese, so 1 package of shredded cheddar and 2 shredded mozzarella. So they substituted this. I ordered the Great Value, but they didn't have it, I guess, in the finely shredded, so they substituted this, which is fine. I got some of this Sam's Choice chicken apple sausage. So this is good. I might actually cut some of these up and do some breakfast prep with them this week. I'm not sure. All right, I got some yellow mustard because Adam wrote it on my list, but I think we have some, so I don't know. I think we have some in the bag. Sorry. Okay, so I got this container of the Chobani non-fat plain Greek yogurt. I've been using this actually to make the 2-ingredient pizza dough. So if you haven't heard of that, it's just equal parts of yogurt and self-rising flour. And it makes like a low calorie, it's actually pretty low carb too, pizza dough. So I got that, and then some macaroni salad. Adam really likes this. It's actually a really good macaroni salad, especially for getting it in the deli case at Walmart. I think I'm gonna grill chicken tonight for dinner, so we might have some of it tonight, and then Adam take the rest for lunches. I got 2 boxes of Kraft mac and cheese, 1 box of shells and cheese, some more white vinegar. I also got some milk. We were, I think, out of milk for cereal and stuff. I got a 4-pack of these nacho cheese cups. These are nice because you can actually heat them up right in the cup, and you don't have to dirty a dish. And they're pre-portioned. Got some self-rising flour. So some Hellmann's light mayo. I grabbed some bacon pieces. I think we're gonna do baked potatoes one night this week. So I always like to get these when we have baked potatoes. So the kids really like to put these on their baked potatoes. Okay, so I was actually looking for spray butter, like the, you know, Parquet spray butter or whatever. They did not have it, and so I was like, well, I'm gonna try these butter buds. So I actually remember my grandparents having these when I was a kid, but I'm one of those people that can get really carried away with putting butter on my veggies, and it's just not the it's not the healthiest thing, right? So I know this is like processed and probably not that great for you if eaten in large quantities, but I thought I would try this just for veggies, a little bit less, you know, fat and calories there. I got some honey wheat bread. This is the kind of bread I always get for sandwiches. Some of these Fiber One chocolate brownies. I grabbed Adam some soups to take to work, and then one for myself. So I got him the chicken and sausage gumbo, chicken and wild rice, clam chowder, and then the chicken and dumplings. And then for myself, I got the Amy's Southwestern vegetable soup. I haven't tried that one before. And then I did get just a small can of evaporated milk just to keep in the pantry. I do have some recipes that call for this, and so I just like to, you know, have it there in case I need it for anything. I got some of the thin pretzel twists. Okay, so they gave me this bag of Ruffles that was opened. Like, this is how it came, like this. So I'm like, that's irritating. Like, first of all, that's irritating. So I'll probably just have to throw it away. What do you guys do when you get stuff like this? Like, do you call them and say you want something else, or do you call and get a refund, or what do you do? Like, I don't really want to drive back to the store just to get one bag of baked Ruffles, but it's sort of irritating that they picked that bag out that's open. So maybe I'll just email them. I don't know. I got 18 pack of chips, so where the kids take in their lunch boxes, or we can actually take these to the ball field too when we're eating dinner there with our sandwiches. So these come with the cheddar and sour cream Lay's, sour cream and onion Ruffles, Funyuns, Fritos, the honey barbecue twists, and then crunchy and puffy Cheetos. I grabbed a box of the reduced fat Ritz crackers. And then for sub sandwiches this week, I did get a package of these white sub rolls, and then one night we're gonna have drip beef or Italian beef, and so I got these ciabatta rolls to use with those. The other substitution I had was I ordered the Joseph's lavash bread, and they didn't have any, and so they substituted this flat out bread, which is fine. It's basically kind of the same thing, although I like the lavash bread better. I just got one package of double stuffed Oreos, and then 2 packages of drinks. So cherry limeade, this is the sparkling water that we really like, and then just a 12-pack of diet ginger ale. And then for non-food, I got a jug of Gain. I was almost out of that. And then I was also out of my cotton rounds. I like to use these to like take my eye makeup off and use for toner and stuff, so I grabbed those. And then I really like these Carbona stain devils. I have one upstairs and I can't remember which one it is, but I wanted to get one for cooking oil stains and then also one for grass stains. And then I also picked up this Shout Advanced with the scrubber. So now that Connor's in baseball and has white baseball pants, I have never dealt with this before. He's never played baseball before this year. So let me know your best tips on getting grass stains out of baseball pants. I thought I would try this and this just to see how that worked. So that is everything I got this week. Let me show you what's on the meal plan. Okay, so here's the meal plan this week, and if you're new here or you don't know, I use a Carrie L meal planner. This is what it looks like on the front. I always have a link in my description box to her shop, and then I have like a 10% off coupon code too if you want to get one for yourself. I actually used my own coupon code the last time I bought one, but I love these because they have the tear off grocery list. Obviously I made my grocery list, but then I ordered it for pickup so I didn't have to tear it off. But anyway, I really like this. It really helps you stay on track with your meals throughout the week, so it's just something that I think is super helpful to have if you want to plan out your meals. So yesterday was Saturday. For lunch I made some tater tots, and then we had little smokies and barbecue sauce that were actually left over from a few nights earlier, and so I just heated those up on the stove. And then we had them with tater tots in the air fryer. Last night, my niece had a birthday party, so we went out for pizza. Today, I'm gonna do marinated grilled chicken and salmon on the grill also with baked potatoes and corn. And I think for lunch, I'm gonna make BLTs. So I'll leave a link for the marinade recipe that I use. It's really, really good. On Monday, Connor has soccer. So I am doing a meal that I have already in the freezer, which is stuffed peppers. So the kids don't really like those, but Adam and I will eat that. And then I also have some taco meat in the freezer that I can thaw out as well. So they'll have tacos and we'll have the stuffed peppers. On Tuesday, Connor has baseball. His games are from 5:30 to 7:30. So usually what I do is when I get home, I pack our dinner in a cooler and take it there. Adam meets me there, and then Connor usually has like a small snack, or like sometimes he eats dinner before he goes and then sometimes he eats afterwards. It just depends. And then we just eat while we're watching Connor's game. So I'm doing sub sandwiches with fruit and pretzels. Wednesday I'm doing the drip beef sandwiches, or the Italian beef. I actually made this when did I make it? I think I made it several nights ago and we didn't get it all eaten. So I still have some left in the refrigerator. I'm probably going to put it in the freezer so that it doesn't go bad before Wednesday. But I also have another package of drip beef out there too. So we'll have enough for all of us for sure. And then with that, we'll have chips and fruit. Thursday, I'm going to do chicken Caesar wraps. So I don't really have a recipe for this, but I'm just going to do like lettuce and maybe olives and grilled chicken and Caesar dressing in some of those flat out wraps, and then also pack some veggies and dip and fruit. And then Friday we always go out or have pizza. So that is it this week for my grocery haul and meal plan. Again, I will have this meal plan in a printable PDF for you, so be sure and click that link and print that off if that's something that you're interested in. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Bye.